Hello my loves, welcome once again to my kitchen. So today we are going to make sweet potato porridge, and I'm going to show you how I make my sweet potato porridge. So here I have my sweet potatoes. They have already been boiled, so they are ripe. So I'm just going to peel them, and then let's watch how I make my porridge. So this is very nutritious. So if you have a lot of sweet potatoes leftovers and you're wondering what you can do with them, this is basically one of the things that you can do to make a very nutritious drink for you and your family, and also for your babies, because as you all know, sweet potatoes have a fiber which is very important for the babies. So you can also, instead of giving them the other porridge for sorghum or millet or cassava, you can also make this porridge for them. You can be mixing in between and they enjoy. So I recently visited my parents in the village, and when I was coming back to the city, they gifted me a lot of sweet potatoes. And because I know if I don't make them as fast as possible, they might go bad. So this is one of the ways that I ensure that I fully utilize my sweet potatoes by making this sweet potato porridge for me and my family. So today I will not be making so much because I just want to show you. So I've already peeled, and again another ingredient is I have my peanuts here with me, not so much, just a little, that I'll be adding. So guys, let's go. So now we'll be adding our sweet potato inside the blender, as you can see, and then I add my ground nuts. As you can see, and then I add my milk. As you can see, I'm adding milk to that. So I'll be adding, this is in Kenya we call it skaringutu. Yeah. So for my sugar, I'll be adding this, but I'll have to taste first and feel how it is. So just add the milk as we go. So I could have divided the sweet potatoes into small portions because I can see it's getting stuck, because you remember it's also thick. So let me just divide that. Then we add our milk as we go. Now we'll be heading to the and pour it inside the food for it now to cook. Okay? And then I'll be adding more. So guys, as you can see, our porridge is just bubbling. Just give it some time to cook well, and then you take it. Very nutritious, very nice, very good for babies and the whole family as well. So don't just stick to maize, sorghum, millet and the likes. You can also try sweet potato porridge, and then tell me how to turn out. Yeah. So guys, you can see how our porridge is cooking so well. So I think it's ready. Yes, so now we are going to remove it. And then I try, and then I give you a review, okay? Look at that. Look at how good it looks. Yeah. So our porridge is ready, as you can see. Look at that, guys. So good. Yeah. So good. I'm sure there is no wastage. As you can see me doing, okay. So that's okay. So I'll be trying it. Let's see. trying this, and it already smells so good. It smells so good, so good. So it's hot. Good. It's good. So guys, this is so good. So if you have your sweet potatoes and peanuts, kindly try this porridge and then tell me how it will turn out. This is so perfect. It's so good. It's hot, but so good. So good, guys. Yeah, that's good. So if you like it, kindly give this video a like, share, subscribe. Yeah, see you in another video. Bye.